Welcome. If you want to pair Mi True Wireless Earphones 2 with Android smartphone, for the first you have to open the settings, go for the Bluetooth, and of course we have to turn on Bluetooth, and after that we have to open the charging case of our earphones. And now just wait until they pops on this available list device. Okay, and as you can see, it takes too much time, so we have to try something. So let's turn on Bluetooth, close the case, turn on Bluetooth one more time, and open the case. And right now we are able to connect to our Mi True Wireless Earphones 2. So let's tap on it, accept the pair, and as you can see right now they are connected, and we are able to listen to the media or just make the calls, whatever you want to do with the earphones. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.